Hello everyone, this is Niloofer, Department of Computer Science from Amal College of Advanced Studies, Nilambur. Our topic of discussion is Internet of Things or IoT. In this session, we will learn what Internet of Things is, the history of IoT, how it works, IoT applications, challenges of IoT, advantages of IoT, disadvantages of IoT, and IoT best practices. First, we will discuss what Internet of Things is or IoT. The Internet of Things or IoT can be defined as a network of physical objects or people called things that are embedded with software, electronics, network and sensors which allows this object to collect and exchange data. The goal of IoT is to extend to internet connectivity from standard devices like computer, mobile, tablet to relatively dumb devices like a toaster. IoT makes virtually everything smart by improving aspects of our life with the power of data collection, AI algorithm and networks. The thing in IoT can also be person with a diabetes monitoring plant or an animal with tracking devices, etc. Now we will discuss about the history of IoT. The actual idea of connected devices was proposed in 1970. In 1982, the students of Carmel University invented the ARPANET, connected the Coke machine. This experiment has inspired a lot of inventors all over the world to create their own connected appliances. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee proposed the World Wide Web, and the governmental system of the satellites was complemented by the private held ons provided the features of IoT system with the basic communications. In 1990, John Romke introduced a toaster connected to the internet. The toaster is considered to be the first IoT device. It was connected to the computer via a TCP protocol. The X-Coffee is created at the computer laboratory of the University of Cambridge in 1993. In 1994, Steve Mann creates a wearable internet connected camera. This is one of the first cameras on World Wide Web. The first international symposium on wearable computers is at 1997. In 1998, IPv6 is introduced. 1999, Kevin Aston introduces the term Internet of Things. In 2004, the term Internet of Things first appeared in book titles. In 2005, a rabbit-shaped ambient device knapsack is manufactured. In 2008, the first international conference on the Internet of Things. The Internet has more things than people connected. 2009, Google started testing of the self-driving cars called Google Cars, and China picked IoT as a key industry to tackle the financial problems in 2010. 2011, Gartner adds IoT to the hype cycle. In 2013, the Google creates advanced smart glasses called Google Glasses. The number of tech startups and technological corporations is constantly growing by this time. The Industrial IoT Standard Consortium was on 2014. The number of devices exceed the number of people by this time. The Global Standards Initiatives on the Internet of Things is at 2015. And the first IoT malware is on 2016 and by 2017 the government start to think about IoT security and cryptocurrencies focuses on IoT. Okay, not only this, but what else to come? The IoT market value expected to reach $8.9 trillion by 2020. The amount of IoT devices will reach 36 billion by 2021. The IoT security spending will reach $3.1 billion by 2021. The hackers will continue to use IoT devices to perform DDoS attacks. The AI and blockchain technologies will become even more popular by this time. Now we will see how IoT works. The entire IoT process starts with the devices themselves like smartphones, smartwatches, electronic appliances like TV, washing machine, which helps you to communicate with the IoT platform. Here are 4 fundamental components of an IoT system. First one, sensors or devices. Second, the connectivity. Third is the data processing, and fourth is user interface. Now we will see what sensors or devices do. The sensors or devices are a key component that helps you to collect live data from the surrounding environment. All this data may have various levels of complexities. It could be a simple temperature monitoring sensor, or it may be in the form of the video feeds. A device may have various types of sensors which perform multiple tasks apart from sensing. Example, a mobile phone is a device which has multiple sensors like GPS, camera, but your smartphone is not able to sense these things. Second one, the connectivity. All the connected data is sent to a cloud infrastructure. The sensors should be connected to the cloud using various mediums of communications. This communication medium includes mobile or satellite networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN, etc. The data processing. Once the data is collected and it gets to the cloud, the software performs processing on the data gathered. The process can be just checking the temperature, reading on devices like AC or heaters. However, it can sometimes also be very complex, like identifying objects using computer vision on video. Next, the user interface. The information needed to be available to the end user in some way, which can be achieved by triggering alarms on their phones or sending them notification through email or text message. The user sometimes might need an interface which actively checks their IoT system. For example, the user has a camera installed in the home. He wants to access video recording and all the feed with the help of a web server. However, it's not always one-way communication. Depending on the IoT application and complexity of the system, the user may also be able to perform an action which may create cascading effects. Next, we will see the various IoT applications. IoT solutions are widely used in numerous companies across industries. Some more common IoT applications are smart thermostat, connected cars, activity trackers, smart outlets, parking sensors, connect health, smart city, smart home, smart supply chain. These are very few applications available now, and lot of applications are there apart from this. Now we will discuss the challenges of IoT. At present, IoT is faced with many challenges such as insufficient testing and updating, concern regarding data security and privacy, software complexity, data volumes and interpretations, integration with AI and automation. Devices require a constant power supply, which is difficult interaction and short range communication. And here is the advantages of IoT. The key benefits of IoT technologies are as follows: technical optimization, improved data connection, reduced waste, improved customer engagement. The technical optimization, IoT technology helps a lot in improving technologies and making them better. For example, with IoT, a manufacturer is able to collect data from various car sensors. The manufacturer analyzes them to improve its design and make them more efficient. By improved data collection, the traditional data collection has its limitations and is designed for passive use. IoT facilitates immediate action on data. Reduced waits. IoT offers real-time information leading to effective decision making and management of resources. Improved customer engagement. IoT allows you to improve customer experience by detecting problems and improving the process. Not only the advantages, but it has a lot of disadvantages also. The first thing, disadvantages, is security. IoT technology creates an ecosystem of connected devices. However, during this process, the system may offer little authentication control despite sufficient security measures. The next main issue IoT is facing is regarding privacy. The use of IoT exposes a substantial amount of personal data in the extreme details. Without the user's active participation, this creates lot of privacy issues. Next thing, regarding the flexibility. There is a huge concern regarding the flexibility of an IoT system. It is mainly regarding integrating with another system, as there are many devices, systems involved in the process. Other thing is regarding the complexity. The design of the IoT system is also quite complicated. Moreover, its deployment and maintenance is also not very easy. The next main issue is regarding the compliance. The IoT has its own set of rules and regulations. However, because of its complexity, the task of compliance is quite challenging. Now we will see the few of the IoT best practices. The design product of reliability and security. It uses a strong authentication and security protocols. It disables non-essential services. It ensures internet management and IoT management hubs and services as secured. Energy efficient algorithms should be designed for the system to be achieved. Here we are going to wind up. I hope you all guys have got an idea about what IoT is. Good day.